Hi, my name is Ian Bruce, and today I'm going to be talking to you about an organization called the RED Project. The RED Project is a Grand Rapids based nonprofit organization that focuses on providing resources and outreach to individuals who are affected by either opiate addiction or HIV and hepatitis C. So, starting with opiate addiction, if you know a family member or friend who is at risk or struggles with opiate addiction, the RED Project has both needle exchange programs, which help prevent the reuse and exchange of perhaps contaminated needles. So it prevents blood to blood transfer of certain diseases, as well as access and training for the use of the drug naloxone. They provide this drug for free if you get in contact with them. And naloxone is a overdose reversal drug. So they'll train you to recognize the signs and symptoms of someone experiencing an opiate overdose and how to administer the drug. That way you can help save their lives. Since 2013, I believe they've had about 1,800 reported successful reversals of an overdose using naloxone through the RED Project resources. In talking about HIV, they provide both case management and early intervention services. So if you know someone who is at high risk for contracting one of these diseases, for instance, a member of the LGBT community, um, the early intervention program will try to reach out to them and get them in contact and reintroduced to the healthcare system if they haven't currently been involved with their health through the healthcare system. So navigating insurance, getting insurance if they currently don't have insurance, contact with other healthcare professionals, and as well as just community outreach, going to their home, seeing what kind of help they might need, for instance, if they need transportation. Also, in dealing with HIV and hepatitis C, they provide free testing services at their office. Just to give you their website, it's redproject.org. You can find more specific information about these services. Their phone number, if you want to call them, is 616-456-9063. And their address is 401 Hall Street Southeast, Grand Rapids, Michigan 49507. Of course, you'll want to call, or you can check out their email on their website too to set up an appointment ahead of time. But they provide early testing, which is very vital to catch these diseases earlier on, especially because with hepatitis C and with HIV, it's easy to not notice or realize that you have these diseases. And if you don't catch it until later on, it makes management of these diseases much more difficult. They also provide resources for peer groups. They currently don't have one for women. They're working on it, but they do have one for men who are HIV positive. They meet every first, second, fourth, and fifth Monday of the month, depending on how that month goes. I'm not sure how that has been going on with the coronavirus, but with things opening up in the state again, I believe the meetings will continue to go on as well. And they also provide help with navigating, let's say you want to get preventative services. So for instance, if you may have heard of the drug Truvada PrEP, which is a pre-exposure prophylaxis. Simply put, this drug will help prevent contraction of HIV if you are at risk of being exposed to it from someone else who is HIV positive. You also, one of the most simple and effective ways to prevent transmission of HIV is practicing safe sex, so using condoms. And the RED Project also provides free condoms. So far, they distributed 55,000 condoms this year. So that's another resource that they have available to help individuals. So in combination with these services, if you know someone or you yourself might have HIV and you don't know, the RED Project can help you with free testing. It's always better to know, so that way you can better manage your life. And if you are positive, as scary as that is, and perhaps as ostracizing as it might feel to have that disease, they provide the resources for you to get connected to the healthcare system to therapeutically treat the disease, as well as support groups for you to help deal with having this disease. So if that's something you think that'd be helpful, I would highly encourage you to again check out redproject.org to get more specific information, as well as to send an email to set up an appointment, or to go check out their office and get in contact with some of the resources they have available for you. Thank you for your time.